Today we'll speak about a very interesting question. Actually, it's about the fact that each and every human being really has two hearts, right side heart and a left side heart. So according to the Kriya Yoga tradition and the ancient tantric knowledge and techniques, two hearts, that's what you have. Right heart, the one which is from the right side of your body, actually is spiritual heart, so-called spiritual heart. In Sanskrit tradition we call it Hridayam. Hridayam means spiritual hearts. Actually it's around liver. Yeah, very interesting. Spiritual heart is in the area of liver. And the left heart, which is physical one, everyone knows what does it mean physical heart. Okay, what is the meaning of these two hearts? Why it is so important for spiritual evolution to know about these two hearts and to meditate, to work, consciously work with these two areas, divine areas in your physical body. Actually, that heart, which is from the right side of your body, so-called spiritual heart, is, let us say, door or gate to the divine consciousness, absolute divine consciousness, if you wish. We can call it God. I think it will be not really proper to say that Lord God is in the right side of your body, but more subtle to say that this is gate to the divine consciousness or to kingdom of Lord God. So from the left side, physical heart, the meaning of this physical heart is personal human consciousness. It's interesting that in Christian tradition, actually for centuries, people knew that soul, personal self, is somewhere in the heart. And that's really so. That's perfectly connected with the yogic knowledge. But just a difference with the Christian tradition is that in Kriya Yoga we know not only about left heart, which is human, but we know about right heart, which is divine. And the philosophical background is really huge. You see, each of you, both God and man. Normally in the Christian tradition, they say that Jesus the Christ has two natures, divine and human. But very interesting that in Christian churches, normally they emphasize that each and every human being, no, you don't have divine nature. They say, you have only human nature. But according to the Kriya Yoga tradition, which is, by the way, absolutely in tune with the Gnostic tradition, in this point, that each and every human being has divine and human nature. And that's very important because we have two hearts, and that's indicator, this is the fact that we have two natures and we have to discover both of them. So, but according to this knowledge about two hearts, you are both. You don't need to make a choice because you are both divine and human. You are God, but at the same time you are human being. And in Kriya Yoga tradition we have at least two wonderful and very powerful meditation techniques. One of them is Hridayam Kriya. This is just the name of meditation technique, and second one is Tribhanga Kriya, and both of them help practitioners to awaken both of that hearts. So, namaste, see you next time.